Power washing is not hard. Anybody can do it. But as long as you're physically able to perform the task of exterior that it requires to be an exterior cleaner, anybody can do it. Excuse me. I had to stop and get me a smoothie. The question is, after the first year, second year, third year, are you still doing the same things that you were doing the first year? Or have you taken your resources and removed some of the hats that you wear? For example, if you're 3 years in and you're still that guy or gal that's power washing and your phone is ringing from a potential customer or client, and you don't have the capacity of that phone call being answered and you yourself answering it like this. It goes like this. You're power washing. Phone ring. Ring, 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 ring. You getting it in. Look at your phone. Oh, shit. Hello? Yes, I'm calling to get a house wash. I need a pressure washer. We do that. Can you call me back? Or can you send me a text message with your address and phone number? That, if you're doing that 3 years in, you're missing out. You have to continue to put yourself in position to get rid of those hats. Now you're presenting yourself as a more professional company if that phone call is being answered by a virtual assistant. It could be cousin, it could be a niece, it could be a daughter, or you can take your resources and pay $200, $300 a month to answer your call. It's not worth it to you? You're kidding me. $200 a month to answer your phone for you with a live person? Game changer. I'm telling you, because that's just been my experience. You literally have immediately separated yourself from everybody else who's still, oh, send me a text message. I'm gonna call you right back. You're gonna separate yourself. Game changer. It's chess, not checkers, man. Take your money and put back into your company. That's just another way of separating yourself from everyone else who can power wash or pressure wash or provide exterior cleaning services. I'm telling you what I know because that's just my experience. If you like what I'm telling you and you find value in it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. There's more to come. I told y'all we doing things a little bit different. Y'all wash on. Peace.